With the gray side facing out, put the end of the headgear strap over the stabilizer through the buttonhole. Then slide it all the way down and wrap it over at the end. It's just like doing up a button. Repeat the process on the other side. Then give it a gentle tug to make sure the headgear is on securely. Finally, put the pillows into the frame by inserting the shorter clip into the top slot, then the longer one into the lower slot. If you notice that the inner wall of one or both of the pillows is slightly out of shape, compressed, or collapsed, just squeeze the sides to release the pressure, and it should spring back to shape. And your mask is ready to use again.